Hi, my name is Ashley. I'm from Imaginative Libraries, and I am out in the woods by my house to see if I can find some natural art supplies. Let's see what we can find. I have found some little pine cones that I am going to gather. I do want to say before we get too much farther that if you are foraging, make sure that you're either on public lands or in your backyard. You have permission to forage, and also not to grab too much of any natural material. We just want a couple for our art project. Where I live, there are a lot of deer, so I also want to say that whatever we are going to grab for our art project is safe for humans to touch. So these pine needles are safe, but maybe let's leave some of the other plants and materials. I'm back from my foraging trip into my backyard. Let's see what I have picked up. So I just picked all these materials up off the ground. I didn't pick any off of trees. I found a bunch of textured branches like this. I found some fresh and dry pine needles. I found some cotton pods left over from the summer, and I also found tons of little dried out pine cones. So I have poured some paint onto my art notebook and used the pine needles here for texture, and the cotton pods also make a fun stamp. I think you can see the pods. Thanks everyone for watching. Happy foraging. I'll see you all next time. Bye.